We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with the Brother HL2770dw. So the first thing I do is pull out my tray. So here you have these little tabs right here. These are your max level indicators. You never want to feel too close to that. If you do, it causes the paper to be tight when the rollers pick up the paper and result causing a jam. Another good thing to do is to make sure that the adjustments here are in the correct place for the correct size of paper that you're using. There's also some over here too if you decide to do envelopes or anything like that. So just make sure that those are in the correct position. Another thing that I like to do, instead of just taking my new paper and just sticking it in my tray, if you do that back here, you can see where it's not aligned evenly. So take the paper out of your tray and put your old paper with your new paper. Fan it out. Sometimes the condensation in the air can cause the pages to stick together, and of course if the roller picks up more than one piece of paper, it's going to cause a jam. So go ahead and fan it out. Then make sure that you align it, then insert it in your tray. If you do these, most definitely you will reduce your number of paper jams. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.